Hi, Sammy fam. Tonight we're going to be making some of my broke boy chicken sandwiches. And I kind of say that like something that I've made before, but it's something I'm making up right now because I'm a broke boy and I like chicken sandwiches, and these are going to be spicy and fun and delicious and cheap and something you guys can easily make at home. So first up, we got our buns here. Got potato buns because I think they're fun and delicious. I'm just going to eat off this little connecting strip. Potatoey. And now we got, ooh. Now this is chicken thigh, which is a very cheap cut of meat, but it's very delicious. And I never buy chicken breast. I always buy chicken thigh because chicken thigh has way more flavor, guys. And you know what I did to this chicken thigh? You might notice the first thing on top, cheese, American cheese. This is a broke boy sandwich. We gotta use that cheap cheese. And then it's kind of red looking. Well, I opened this chicken yesterday. I brought it home from the store at night. Opened it up, threw it in a plastic bag, a freezer bag, and I covered it in Frank's Red Hot, and then Valentina, the black label, the extra spicy stuff, and a bunch of garlic powder, and shook it up. And I let it sit for about 24 hours. Oh, and also a little bit, maybe a medium amount of pickle juice. Now, I originally was intending on having this sandwich last night, but I got too lazy because I had worked too hard during the day. Because, well, I wanted the sandwich because Sammy Girl had Chick-fil-A during the day, and one of the things they do, they have their like pickly flavored chicken. So here's some pickly flavored chicken, not deep fried though. Not fried chicken. I just cooked this in the pan with all of the sauce that I had from seasoning it and just reduced it down. And now we got the American cheese, and, well, I'll load up these other bad boys first before I show you the final ingredient. Gotta check which side is the bottom. Sometimes you don't know. Okay. The liquid off them is so good. But now we got French's fried onions. We're gonna get that crunch. Oh. I'm dropping some. I am dropping some. Just press them in. Gotta get that nice oniony crunch. Honestly, guys, like, I know a lot of people ask me in the comments, like, oh, why don't you run a restaurant? Are you a professional chef? No, I'm not. But if I did run a restaurant, it would be like a dive bar type restaurant. Just beers and sandwiches like this for like, man, chicken thighs, you can get them so cheap. You could probably sell $4 and make a great profit. And just involves the couple extra steps of taking this chicken, soaking it in delicious spicy hot sauce, garlic. I mean, you could put some, then the pickle, obviously, it's wonderful, lightens it. And these crunchy bad boys, oh, I almost said spicy, but they're not spicy. Although if they made a jalapeno variety, I'd buy it. I'd buy that. Okay. Oh, guys. Here you can see them. Mi Sammy Familia. This is so good. This is so good and so cheap. It makes me want to run a dive bar with a bunch of different potato bun based sandwiches. They all only cost $4 or $5. This chicken is seasoned. It's so good. Oh no. Don't fall out, my crunchy friends. Go back in. Go back inside where you belong. And the chicken is so moist and tender because I cooked it in its own marinade. And it just makes it like impossible to overcook it basically. So you don't dry it out the pan completely, just keep that moisture in there. Oh yes. So the secret to an amazing chicken sandwich, my friends, just let it soak. Just let it soak in that hot sauce, that garlic. That's all you need. Maybe some cheese. French fried onions are nice. Have fun with it. It's cheap and it's good.